If you love colorful and creative gifts, you're going to love what I have in this video. Today, I'm turning Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and things that I had already in my stockpile into some beautiful, colorful gifts. So make sure you stay to the end. I was recently asked to review some products from the Boxery, which was right on time. I want to give you my honest review and impressions, my first impressions of things. So I haven't even opened the boxes yet. I'm about to do that and get started. But before I get started, they sent me 10 pounds of Kraft paper, a box of Crinkle paper, and some polyfilm. Right on time for packages. If you're shipping, you're going to need it regardless. So I would check out their website. They have some good deals, very good prices, and their shipping is excellent. And if you do baskets, well, it's going to help you to make sure that you have the supplies that you need. So let's check them out together. All right, let's get started. Oh, do you see this? Yes. I don't think I'm going to be using paper bags or newspaper for quite some time. Thank you, Boxery. All right, all right, all right. I have gone ahead and put some of that paper in this basket. And now, yes, I am that happy. Yes, I am. You don't understand. Okay? Sometimes the struggle is real. And we're going to take a piece of tissue paper. The struggle can be real a lot. Okay? So I'm actually going to take that out. And then put it back in. Sorry about that noise. And now I have gone ahead and taken a piece of cardboard, and this is that lovely vinyl from the Dollar Tree. Uh, and you have to tape it on because it doesn't actually stay on. This is that vinyl. So I'm going to put that right here. I'm just being real, guys. I'm just being real. I'm going to push this down in here, and I'm doing this so that I have a backer. Okay. Let me turn it around. All right. And oh, before I did that, I could have put my stuff on it, but I want to make sure I can see everything. So we're going to wait. Don't worry. It looks a mess right now, but it's going to look better in a minute. So next, I have this Pop-Tart set. It is a body wash and a bath bomb. So we're going to put that, and this came from Hobby Lobby. We're going to put that right there. Okay. And then I have this lovely teddy bear. Yeah, I had to check and make sure the price was not there anymore because I want to leave the tag on. It says that it's scented, and it is scented like rose. So we're going to put this. I don't know how this looks yet, so give me just a minute, okay? Give me just a minute. I'm going to have to come around there and look. Actually, yeah, I'm going to come around here and look so you can see the whole thing. Because I don't think I'm going to put it this way. I think I'm going to do it this way. We're going to sit him there. And even though that was not my intention, we're going to put that there. Okay. Because I have other things I want to put in. We also have these socks. And thank you, LBE, for telling us about the coffee cup holders. I put little smiley faces that scatter. I put that on there just to give it a little bit of something, something, something. Let me see where we're going to put you at. Okay, where we're going to put you at. Oh, because I don't want to cover up anything. I might still put it right there, though. Because I am. because I am. Make sure you can see. Yes, you can. So we're gonna turn him and make him sit like that. And then we have a loofah. Okay. So we're gonna put that right here. Okay. And then let me see. Let me see. What else do we want to put in here? We want to give a donut. No, we already have the bath bomb in there, so no donut bath bombs. We're gonna give you a, let's see how this looks. Okay, that works for me. So let's take that price tag off the back. And then we're gonna place the picture frame like that. Yes. Okay. And now let's fix that backer. I have a couple of things over here. So I'm not really sure what I want to put on it. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be out of frame. Uh, Actually, before I do that, I want to give you one of these hearts. Can I do that? Where am I put it at? Actually, I could do just like that. And I'm sitting up here trying to figure out what to do to the back. What? What? Because I was thinking about giving them a bow. Let's see here. And I am. I'm going to give you a bow first. And then we'll look at it. Got to try out different things, right? And this backer is here because of it being shrink wrapped. And we want to make, I don't want my bear to be completely squished because that happens a lot. And that sucks. Okay. Okay. That works for me. That works for me. Yes, it does. Now, I still want to give the little, okay. Oh, I could do that, so I will. Let's start glue dotting, okay? Let's start glue dotting. Let's see how this works. I'm not really sure. I did just say right here, right? Yes. And I'm not sure how this is going to work on here. And because it doesn't stick. Okay, that's not going to work. We're going to figure that out, though. Mm-hmm. Yes, we are. We are going to figure that out. So, oh, I see I need to stabilize my bear. So give me just a minute. All right, so I got my fishing wire. Yay. Yay. Okay, so we are going to, shouldn't be that bad, okay? Some people don't have difficulty with this, Miss LBE, but I do. And yes, I said your name because I see you use it all the time. That's where I got it from. Okay? And you do it so easy. I think I'm getting the wrong gauge, or I got the wrong gauge because, you don't need to keep getting it. It lasts for a very, 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 very long time. Okay. Yes, it does. Okay, I'm trying. I'm trying. Now we're gonna get this knot all the way. I can't see either. Y'all laughing at me? You probably are, especially knowing that I just did all that and did not do anything. This is what I'm about to do. I'm about to cut this. Hopefully I cut the right piece. Nope, I didn't. See? So now, because I tied the knot way too far away, now I can see some hat. Yes. See? Are you laughing? Okay. Yes. Look at you. Bruh. 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 Okay. Trying to decide where can you go and how. Okay, now we're gonna try with tape since the glue dot didn't work. Cause I gotta try something. Okay. I gotta try something. Okay. That is just not going to work. How about that? It doesn't matter how many ways I try. It's not gonna work. So you know what we're gonna do? We're still gonna stick it in. So we're gonna put it just like that. And then it's behind the fishing wire. Oy. I have these. I just gotta do something else, y'all. I can't help it. Okay. And I don't know what that's gonna do for it, but I'm trying to see. Okay. Okay. Because that's going to be covered up when we do our shrink wrap. And all you're going to see is the, oh yeah, I like it. I like it. I think it's simple and it's pretty. Okay. So now I have some of this lovely shred that they sent me in the box, a huge box. But I've gone ahead, you know, I recycle. So I just went and put some in here. This one lasts long, 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 long time. Yay. Yay. And this was very inexpensive. I said that already. I do believe. I hope I didn't just put my head in the frame. I wasn't trying to do that. That just moved. I'm gonna put that right there. And now it's gonna be still. Still enough that it will not come out. Mm-hmm. What you think? You like it? You like it? I like it. I do, I do, I do. I really do. I'm not even playing, I do. And we're going to make this simple. And we're going to do one of these beautiful pull bows that I got from Amazon. Okay. And then I'm going to show you this other one. Oh my goodness. So we're going to, there it is. Now I could make a bow, but some of my gifts I am making bows, and some of them are going to be, I'm so sorry for being tongue tied. Some of my gifts I am going to actually make the bows, and some of them I'm going to use pull bows because even though this part is difficult for me, it is faster sometimes. Okay, more simple, and the bows are less expensive than the ribbon. Okay, so I choose wisely what gifts I put them on. That was one. Let's do that again. Just like that. And this is going to go up here. Yes. Yes. Let me come around so I can see what you see. Okay, let's turn it around. What you think, guys? What you think? You like this? Okay. Do you like this? I like this. Let me show you my other one, okay? I'm going to wrap both of these gifts that I'm showing you now, and then I will post them afterwards, okay? Let me move that out the way. And this is my other one. Excuse my mess. You know there's a work in progress all the time. This one is green, and it has some different things in it. And I just now noticed that this one does not have any shred in it, and there are a few blank spots. So let me tell you what's in here. And that's the backer for this one. Okay? This one has some lotion, some body wash, body spray, an infused glove, some handmade soap, a beautiful picture frame, and a loofah. And this is what I did to the back. So this is the bow for this one. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that shred in this one. And it's just a little spot. Okay, little spot. We don't want any blank spaces. And the crinkle paper helps it to look more like a gift, right? Okay. Okay. Let's see here. I don't really expect that to say. All right. So what do you think? Do you like these two? Are you going to recreate? Which one do you like the most? I think they're both bright and colorful and something that will grab somebody's eye. Oh, tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe and watch my other videos. I appreciate you for watching. Until next time. Bye.